Good morning children, welcome to your GK class. So this video is for class 5 students and today we'll be doing page number 28, think logically. Okay, so let's get started children with the exercises. So here is the page you can see, and here you have to think logically to answer the questions given. Number 1. What occurs twice in the morning, at the start of every night, in the middle of a month, but never in summer nor in a day? So let's take this line into account, is at the start of every night. So when I write NIGHT, so what is the letter which is coming in the first start of night is N. So what occurs twice in morning? So when you're writing morning, so how many times N is repeated? 2 times. So 2 times N, that means twice in the morning, at the start of every night, in the middle of month. So when I write month, N appears to be in the middle. Okay, but never in summer nor in a day. But when we write summer or day, does it appear children? Do you see N when I'm writing summer or day? Has N appeared once also, the letter N? No. So that means the letter is N. So you are going to write N out here. Okay students. Now next. If eraser is called paper, if eraser, I am writing ER for eraser, is called paper. Okay, PA for paper. And if paper is pencil, so now paper is pencil. Okay, and pencil is called sharpener. So what are we calling the pencil? Pencil has become sharpener. Okay, so pencil has become sharpener, and sharpener is called water bottle, and sharpener is called water bottle. What will you write with? So what do you use for writing? We use a pencil. So what is pencil called? It's called a sharpener. So if you have to write, you have to use a sharpener. Okay, so you have to think that way. Now number 3, a watch reads 4:30 if the minute hand points east. If the minute hand is towards east, in what direction is the R hand pointing? So if you draw a watch and then you have to make 4:30. So 4 is somewhere here, and suppose this is the R hand. Okay, suppose this is the R hand. So let me draw the R hand. So it's the R hand. Okay, and this is the minute hand, the longer one. Okay, so they are saying that if the minute hand points east, so this is pointing towards east. Okay, in what direction is the R hand pointing? So where will the R hand point? So the R hand will point towards the northeast. So this R hand will be pointing towards the northeast. So the answer will be northeast. Okay children. Next, Bonnie has a pet dog. Amita loves pets. Ronnie hates dogs. If all 3 statements are false, who logically has a pet? So in this case, if I am to make all the statement false, so all will change, isn't it? So it will become like first one as Bonnie has pet dog. So if I have to change it into a false statement, if all the 3 statements are false, so if they are false, then Bonnie has a pet dog. So it will change into Bonnie does not have a pet dog. So second one, Amita loves pets. So it is going to be changed as Amita do not love pets. Next, Ronnie hates dog. So if I'm going to change it, so what will be the sentence if I change it? So it will be Ronnie. I have to change it into opposite. So I'll write Ronnie loves dog. So if all the three statements are false, who logically has a pet dog? So who logically has a pet dog? Ronnie has a pet dog. Okay, because Bonnie will change. It will become he doesn't have a pet dog. Amita loves pet. It will be Amita hates pets. Then Ronnie hates dogs. It will change into Ronnie loves dogs. So if it is loves dogs, that means he's keeping a dog with him. So who has a pet? Ronnie has a pet. So the answer will be Ronnie has a pet. Next, number 5, at a book launch, a man walked up to the author and said, I have a book that has every word of your book written in it, and most people here do too. The author had the copyright to this book. So when you are having a copyright, others cannot possess that without your permission. Okay, so in this at a book launch, there was a book launch, and a man goes up to the author and says that I have a book which has got all the words which is your book possesses. So what is the name of the book where you can get the meaning of all the words? It's a dictionary. Okay, and dictionary doesn't need a copyright. So then how did this happen? Because he has a dictionary. So you will write because he has a dictionary. Okay, this is the spelling of a dictionary. Okay, children. Next one, number 6. Raj was making lunch when his friends Ravi arrived unexpectedly, okay, with his 2 kids. Please listen to the word properly. Kids. It's Kids, kids. Okay. So soon the men were sitting in the kitchen. Soon they saw the men were sitting in the kitchen having lunch, while the kids played outside in the garden and ate grass. So obviously, if it's human being, they will not eat grass, isn't it? But they had seen them eating grass. The men saw this but did not stop them. So had it been the kids of human beings, we would have stopped them from eating the grass. They would have stopped them. But they did not stop. Why? Because they were the babies of goats. Because baby of goats is also called kids. Okay, and they were outside in the garden eating grass. So they were the baby goats. So the kids were baby goats. Okay, children, so this will be the answer. Next, students, if a human being has 10,000, okay, 9,600, 173, okay, so it's unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So it's 10 lakhs, 96,173. So this many strands of hair, this many hair, if one person has, and there are 2 lakh people in a city. So there are 2 lakh people residing in a city. What is the product? So product means you have to multiply. But they are saying that if a human being, if one person is having this much strand of hair, okay, so how much will 2 lakh person have? But you please look at the numbers and you follow the statement also. They are also saying that if a human being has this much strands of hair, okay, so that means within a human being, in that population, there will be a human being who will not have any hair, who will be bald, isn't it? And a bald person doesn't have any hair. He will have 0 hair. So the number of hair a bald person will have, how much strand of hair? 0, isn't it? So even if one person is bald, his hair is 0. So if you do the product of 0 into whatever number, that is 2 lakh is given out here. So even if you multiply with 2 lakh, the answer will be 0 only. So how many, what is the product of total strands of hair? It will be 0 only. So the answer will be 0. Okay children. Next, the last one. Pointing to a man, Rima said, he is the only brother of the only daughter of the wife of my husband. How is the man related to Rima? So the man is obviously Rima's son, isn't it? Because he is the only brother of the daughter. Okay? Or brother of the daughter means her daughter and her son. Okay? And of the wife of my husband. So of the wife of her husband. So how is the man related to Rima? He is Rima's son. He has to be Rima's son. Okay? So he is the only brother of the daughter of the wife of my husband. When she's telling my husband, that means she is the wife, and her son and daughter, they are brothers and sisters. Okay? So the person is Rima's son. So the answer will be Rima's son. Okay? So with this we complete the exercise. Okay? This much for today children. Hope you all understood. This much for today children. Thank you very much children. Thank you very much children.